وعلم
And he taught
آدم
Adam
الأسماء
the names,
كلها
all of them.
ثم
Then
عرضهم
he displayed them
على
to
الملائكة
the angels.
فقال
Then he said,
أنبئوني
Inform me
بأسماء
of the names
هؤلاء
of these,
إن
if
كنتم
you are
صادقين.
truthful.
قالوا
They said,
سبحانك
Glory be to you.
لا علم
No knowledge
لنا
is for us
إلا
except
ما
what
علمتنا
you have taught us.
إنك
Indeed, you
أنت العليم
are the all-knowing,
الحكيم.
the all-wise.
قال
He said,
يا آدم
O Adam,
أنبئهم
inform them
بأسمائهم.
of their names.
فلما
And when
أنبأهم
he had informed them
بأسمائهم
of their names,
قال
he said,
ألم
Did not
أقل
I say
لكم
to you,
إني
indeed I
أعلم
know
غيب
the unseen
السماوات
of the heavens
والأرض
and the earth,
وأعلم
and I know
ما
what
تبدون
you reveal
وما
and what
كنتم
you
تكتمون.
conceal.
وإذ
And when
قلنا
we said
للملائكة
to the angels,
اسجدوا
prostrate
لآدم
to Adam,
فسجدوا
so they prostrated,
إلا
except
إبليس
Iblis.
أبى
He refused
واستكبر
and was arrogant
وكان
and became
من
of
الكافرين.
the disbelievers.
وقلنا
And we said,
يا آدم
O Adam,
اسكن
dwell,
أنت
you
وزوجك
and your spouse
الجنة
in paradise,
وكلا
and you both eat
منها
from it
رغدا
freely,
حيث
from wherever
شئتما
you both wish.
ولا تقربا
But do not you two approach
هذه
this
الشجرة
tree,
فتكونا
lest you both be
من
of
الظالمين.
the wrongdoers.
فأزلهما
Then made both of them slip,
الشيطان
the shaitan,
عنها
from it,
فأخرجهما
and he got both of them out
مما
from what
كانا
they both were
فيه.
in it.
وقلنا
And we said,
اهبطوا
Go down all of you,
بعضكم
some of you,
لبعض
to others,
عدو
as enemy,
ولكم
and for you,
في
in
الأرض
the earth,
مستقر
is a dwelling place,
ومتاع
and a provision,
إلى
for
حين
a period.
فتلقى آدم
Then Adam received
من
from
ربه
his Lord
كلمات
words.
فتاب
So his Lord turned
عليه
towards him.
إنه
Indeed,
هو
he
التواب
is the oft returning to mercy,
الرحيم.
the most merciful.
قلنا
We said,
اهبطوا
go down
منها
from it,
جميعا
all of you,
فإما
and when
يأتينكم
comes to you
مني
from me
هدى
guidance,
فمن
then whoever
تبع
follows
هداي
my guidance,
فلا
then no
خوف
fear
عليهم
will be on them,
ولا
and not
هم
they
يحزنون.
will grieve.
والذين
And those
كفروا
who disbelieve
وكذبوا
and deny
بآياتنا
our signs,
أولئك
those
أصحاب
are the companions
النار
of the fire.
هم
They
فيها
in it
خالدون.
will abide forever.
يا بني
O children
إسرائيل
of Israel,
اذكروا
remember
نعمتي
my favor,
التي
which
أنعمت
I bestowed
عليكم
upon you,
وأوفوا
and fulfill
بعهدي.
my covenant.
أوفي
I will fulfill
بعهدكم
your covenant,
وإياي
and me alone
فارهبون.
fear me,
وآمنوا
and believe
بما
in what
أنزلت
I have sent down,
مصدقا
confirming
لما
that which
معكم
is with you,
ولا
and do not
تكونوا
be
أول
the first
كافر
disbeliever
به
of it,
ولا
and do not
تشتروا
exchange
بآياتي
my signs for
ثمنا
a price
قليلا
small,
وإياي
and me alone
فاتقون.
fear me,
ولا
and do not
تلبسوا
mix
الحق
the truth
بالباطل
with the falsehood,
وتكتموا
and conceal
الحق
the truth,
وأنتم
while you
تعلموا.
know,
وأقيموا
and establish
الصلاة
the prayer,
وآتوا
and give
الزكاة
zakah,
واركعوا
and bow down
مع
with
الراكعين
those who bow down.
أتأمرون
Do you order
الناس
the people
بالبر
the righteousness,
وتنسون
and you forget
أنفسكم
yourselves,
وأنتم
while you
تتلون
recite
الكتاب
the book?
أفلا
Then will not
تعقلون
you use reason
واستعينوا
and seek help
بالصبر
through patience
والصلاة
and the prayer?
وإنها
And indeed it
لكبيرة
is surely difficult,
إلا
except
على
on
الخاشعين
the humble ones,
الذين
those who
يظنون
believe
أنهم
that they
ملاقو
will meet
ربهم
their Lord,
وأنهم
and that they
إليه
to Him
راجعون.
will return.
يا بني
O children
إسرائيل
of Israel,
اذكروا
remember
نعمتي
my favor
التي
which
أنعمت
I bestowed
عليكم
upon you,
وأني
and that I
فضلتكم
I preferred you
على
over
العالمين.
the worlds,
واتقوا
and fear
يوما
a day
لا
will not
تجزي
avail
نفس
any soul
عن نفس
another soul
شيئا
anything,
ولا
and not
يقبل
will be accepted
منها
from it
شفاعة
any intercession,
ولا
and not
يؤخذ
will be taken
منها
from it
عدل
a compensation,
ولا
and not
هم
they
ينصرون.
will be helped.
وإذ
And when
نجيناكم
we saved you
من
from
آل فرعون
the people of Pharaoh
يسومونكم
who were afflicting you with
سوء
horrible
العذاب
torment,
يذبحون
slaughtering
أبناءكم
your sons
ويستحيون
and letting live
نساءكم
your women,
وفي
and in
ذلكم
that
بلاء
was a trial
من
from
ربكم
your Lord,
عظيم.
great.
وإذ
And when
فرقنا
we parted
بكم
for you
البحر
the sea,
فأنجيناكم
then we saved you
وأغرقنا
and we drowned
آل فرعون
the people of Pharaoh,
وأنتم
while you
تنظرون.
were looking.